Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Put on gloves and ventilate the room. Spray a small area with isopropyl or a 1:1 white vinegar and water mix. This breaks ink or marker binders. Let the solvent soak for 30-60 seconds so writing softens. Use a plastic razor or a fingernail at a low angle to lift softened material. Avoid metal blades on non-tempered mirrors. Once you see the writing loosen, blot with a microfiber to capture residue. Don't smear it around. You continue by repeating targeted solvent application and gentle scraping. Make slow passes with the plastic blade at about 30 to 45 degrees so you lift, not gouge. Frequently wipe the blade and cloth to prevent redepositing pigment. Change cloths when dirty. For stubborn ink, use a small amount of acetone on a cotton swab, testing first. Acetone removes many dyes but can damage backing, so keep it off the frame. Once most marks are gone, you're at the finish line. Spray the mirror lightly with water or glass cleaner and buff with a clean microfiber using circular, overlapping strokes to remove streaks and residue. Inspect from different angles. If faint traces or ghosting persist, reapply solvent briefly and repeat targeted scraping, or switch to a commercial glass polish designed for coatings. Make sure to protect the mirror's backing. If you notice flaking or silver loss, stop and consult a pro. Troubleshooting tip. If cleaner smears, it likely spread residue. Dry and repeat targeted removal rather than adding more solvent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.